Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another work from home job lead. This one is in the healthcare field. We will keep today's video short, sweet, and to the point. Just know the links, if you are interested in applying, are in the YouTube description box below. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the company Molina Healthcare. Now, Molina Healthcare is hiring a service desk computer tech. They are basically looking for someone to perform installation, repair, and preventative maintenance to all of their healthcare industry desktop, laptop computers, and related systems. You'll assist in determining suitable software to meet user requirements, so you'll respond to service desk tickets as well as telephone calls requesting technical support. You'll answer those questions in a clear and concise manner. You'll help create, update, and resolve issues with any current issue tracking system, and you'll make sure that you resolve anything in a timely manner and escalate anything you cannot to a higher level team. Now, because this is in the technology industry, it does require an associate's degree or equivalent combination of education and experience, and 1 to 3 years of experience. They prefer someone who has 3 to 5 years of some kind of customer service experience, but it does pay very well. Of course, pay is going to be dependent on location and experience, but it pays anywhere from $16.40 an hour all the way up to $31.97 an hour. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comment section anything specific that you're looking for, as I'm always reading that and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.